In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use document templates in Microsoft Word. Templates are a powerful feature that help you create professional documents quickly without having to design everything from scratch. Whether you're preparing a resume, report, letter, brochure, or invoice, templates provide pre-formatted layouts that save time and ensure consistency. To get started, open Microsoft Word. When Word launches, you'll see the home screen with various template options displayed. If you're already inside a document, click on File and then select New to access the template gallery. At the top of the screen, you'll find a search bar where you can type keywords such as resume, business report, or newsletter. Press Enter, and Word will display available templates that match your search. Browse through the options and click on a template that suits your needs. You'll see a preview window showing what the document looks like. If it fits your project, click Create. Word will then open a new document based on that template, complete with pre-designed formatting, fonts, headings, and placeholder text. Next, replace the placeholder content with your own information. Click on any sample text and begin typing to customize it. Templates are fully editable, so you can adjust fonts, colors, images, and layout elements if needed. However, try to maintain the overall structure to preserve the professional design. If you want to use a custom template saved on your computer, go to File, select New, and then click Personal or Custom, depending on your version of Word. From there, choose the template you previously saved. Custom templates are especially useful for businesses that want consistent branding across multiple documents. After customizing your template, remember to save your file. Click File, then Save As, choose your desired location, and give your document a clear name. This ensures your work is stored safely and easy to access later. Using document templates in Microsoft Word simplifies the document creation process, improves efficiency, and ensures your work looks polished and professional. With just a few clicks, you can transform a basic idea into a well-designed document ready to share or print. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.